Question 19. Cindy spent 1/7 of her money and an additional $8 on a bag. We start with a model. The total units is 7 units. And out of these 7 units, she spent 1 unit and $8 on a bag. This part is the remainder. We will do a drop down remainder box. And for the remainder, she spent 1 out of 4 of the remaining money and an additional $5 on the wallet. Hence, the remainder will have 4 parts. I'll put P for parts, 4 parts. And out of these 4 parts, she spent 1 part and $5 on a wallet. And she's left with $43. Let's focus on the drop-down model. The total of the remainder is 4 parts. And we have 1 part over here. That means that $5 and $43 added together will be 3 parts. So 3 parts will be $5 plus 43. That gives us $48. 1 part is 48 divided by 3. That is $16. 4 parts will be 16 times 4. That gives us $64. So the whole remainder here is $64. Now let's zoom in at this part of the model. We have 1 unit here. The total unit is 7 units. That means that $8 plus $64 will be 6 units. This part will be 6 units. The next part of the working, we will focus on the model here. 6 units is equals to 8 plus 64. That gives us 72. 1 unit is 72 divided by 6. That is 12. We need to find the total amount of money that Cindy spent on a bag and a wallet. Let's find the amount I spent on the bag. That will be 1 unit plus $8. 1 unit is $12. And then plus $8. That will be $20. And now for the wallet. Wallet is 1 part plus $5. 1 part is $16 plus $5. That gives us $21. So the total amount spent will be 20 plus $21, and that gives us $41.